Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply filter in Excel. So open an Excel sheet. Um, well, here you can see there is some data. So if you want to put shortcut for filtering, then just click on Shift, Control and L. Sorry, put your cursor in the data and then click on Shift, Control and L. Here you can see the filter is applied. If you want to remove this, then just again click on Shift, Control and L. It will be removed. As you can see, it's removed. So again, now you can do it with some options. So what you have to do is just go to this sort and filter option, click on filter option, and here you can see it is applied. You can do it with this data tab also. Here you can see there is a option of filter. Just simply click on it. It would be applied. If you again click on it, and it will be gone. Now let's see how we would use this after applying filters. Okay, let's start with some dates. So if we click on this ribbon, we can see it will be sorted to oldest to newest, sort to newest to oldest. Okay, if we want to do filters, then here you can see there's some years which have been distributed. If we want to just click on 2023, if we want to select or want to see data from 2023 only, then we would select it and then just click on OK. Here you can see 2023's data is sorted or filtered here. If we just again select all, then all data will be appeared. And then if we go to date filters, here you can see there before, after, between, tomorrow and so on. If we want to have data from tomorrow, then just click on tomorrow, and here you can see the tomorrow data will be appeared. And then if we want to go to yesterday or next week or this week, or if we want to click on last month or next month, we can do it. Let's click on next month, and here you can see the data is filtered here. If we want to go to next year, we can do it also. Here you can see the 2024 data is appeared here. And okay, if we remove this filter, if we want to remove these filters on date filters again, here the data will be filter will be removed. So this is what we can do with date. And if we if we want to do it with some text, then we will keep a cursor on text and then click on text filters. Here you can see if we want to find some specific data for a specific person, we would select only one person here, and you can see now only one person's data is filtered here. If we click on select all data will be appeared again. If we click on text filters, it will show begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, and custom filter. Let's click on begins with. Here you can see if we want to have some data with uh, begins with name R, we can have it. Now you can see only Rima is whom starts the name with R, so that is why uh, her name is appeared here. And if we want to click on ends with, then if we want to click on K, and here you can see the names which are ends with K will be appeared here. If we can do it with some digits also. If we go to if we want to just keep this 34,000 data, then and click on OK, you can see this data is appeared here. If we click on select all, and the all data will be appeared again. If we want to number filters, then here will appear greater than, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above average, below average. No, it's can let's use greater than. If we want to filter greater than 50,000, then you can see the 50,000 values are appeared here. And you can do it with less than 2, between, top 10, or above average, below average. You can do it with all the values, and let's say that you want to just keep this uh, data for your further processing, then you can just create an extra sheet here, and want to copy this only this data, then just click on the just first select all. Then you can select manually like this, or you can press Ctrl A, the whole data will be selected. We would want to select this part only, and then click Ctrl C. As you can see, the data is copied here, and go to your sheet and paste it here by Ctrl V. And here you can see the data is copied here. So yep, this is how you can apply filter or use filter. So hope this video helps you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.